Hello, this is Offer18. Let me walk you through the key features we provide. On the dashboard, you will get the report of your all the campaigns. You will also monitor your top affiliates performance and top employees performance. In e-commerce, you will get the report of your sales campaign. You also have AI insights. For the offer list, we move to offer approved. This is the home section of the offer where you can easily see the offer configuration that you have set up, and in the general section you have the basic setup of your offer, and you can also set up your multiple landing pages by clicking here. You can select targeting in the landing pages. We also have the option fallback for the landing pages. If the traffic is rejected on the landing page due to targeting, then you can easily redirect those traffic to the sub landing pages. You can add multiple sub landing pages and weight can be managed from this section. In the targeting section, you will see the separate section of your offer targeting and your landing page targeting. We have multiple fields for the targeting. You can apply targeting on clicks, conversions, and impressions as well. Here you can upload your offer creatives, then affiliates. You can set advertiser capping and affiliate capping in this section. We have multiple capping type options and we have multiple offer capping action options available. You can also set an earlier notification threshold. If the 75% of the capping is read, then you will get the notification on the dashboard in the notification section. Events can be assigned in event payout section. And in payout rules, you can assign event price, and you can also assign, if you have the affiliate specific price, you can assign in payout rules. We have many fields for the payout rules. On the basis of these fields, you can set your payout rule. Here you can select the default click domain and fallback will be enabled in this section. In anti-fraud section, you can set click spamming defender. You can select the modes from the drop down. If you are getting the clicks from the same IP, or you can set the click flood, you can manage from this field. Unique click limit, proxy block filter. If you are getting the traffic from any VPN, then you can enable it. Similarly, browser blank referrer, you can allow and deny over here. In click block filters, you can block the clicks based on these parameters. If you want to block the click from the specific IP, then you need to mention it over here. We also have IPv4 and IPv6 range filter to allow and block. And we also have a suppression list, retargeting tag. You can easily add your suppression list and retargeting tags for the affiliates, as well as you will have your global retargeting tag for your advertisers. We have multiple types of integration with advertisers and with your affiliates, as well as image pixel, iframe, GTM, and web SDK. With the web SDK, you can easily track the conversion from the browser where third-party cookies are permanently blocked. Affiliates will be visible in the affiliate section. Here is the affiliate profile. If in the affiliates company they have multiple employees, then you can create the affiliate employee account from this section. Similarly, you can check the list of advertisers from this section. In reports, you can get the access of 90 plus metrics. From filters, you can easily filter out the offer, advertisers, affiliates, etc. to quickly refine your data. Customize the report view by adding and removing the columns. You can analyze the report exactly the way you need. In the report KPI, you can compare the events KPI. For deeper analysis, we have dedicated sections are available for advertiser postback logs, for affiliate postback logs, and for conversion logs. In comparison report, you can easily compare your current performance with the previous period, such as last day, last week. In fraud vendor, report will be monitored based on the given filters such as IP address, country, ISP, OS, and many more. If more than 100 clicks recorded from the same IP address, the system will automatically highlight the clicks count in the orange color for that IP. You can take action by blocking the IP directly from the offer setup under the click block filters. You can protect your campaign and ensure high quality traffic all time. In e-commerce, we have coupons and product feed. Coupons can be created manually and easily uploaded via CSV file. Then assign the offer ID to the created coupons and define the coupon quota for each coupon to control the usage of the coupon. Affiliates can view their assigned coupon in their dashboard. Product feed can be easily uploaded via CSV or API. The thousands of the products can be managed under the one feed. With mobile attribution, you can easily integrate with all the MMPs to track in-app events. We also have Android SDK to track your own Android application events. You can easily sync the offers directly from advertisers using the OfferSync API. Here is the list of available partners. Set up the integration just in few steps. Mailer can be used to send the custom email to your affiliates and advertisers. We have predefined templates and custom templates. With conversion import, you can import multiple conversions with TID and without TID. You can easily upload the CSV file of TIDs to import the conversions in bulk. Next, automation. In automation, you can optimize your campaign based on the various fields such as CR, clicks, conversions, and many more fields are available. Rule can be created on various level. It can be offer, affiliate level, and subsource level. In compare section, the list of fields are available: CR, CTR, ECPM, UCR. You can set the compare condition, and you can also whitelist the offers, affiliates, sub affiliates. Once the condition will be matched, then automation rule will be triggered and your offer or affiliates or sub affiliates can be suspended automatically. Resume can be set in this field. The minimum time is 1 hour and maximum is 7 days. Alerts can be enabled for the automation rule. The logs can be visible under logs. Once the rule will be triggered, with tracking fillers, you can easily override affiliates value for their selected token. Values can be picked from the uploaded CSV or manually added values in the rule and passed to the advertiser link. Multiple values can be added for the selected token and manage their distribution using the weight option. We have offer affiliates links to assign affiliates in the offer by creating the rule. It will save your time. You don't need to assign the affiliates by going into the offers. Simply create the rule and the offers of the selected advertiser will be assigned to the affiliates as per the defined conditions. From account employee, you can create the employee account for your team members. We have multiple roles such as affiliate manager, advertiser manager, administrator, and billing manager. Just select the template and permissions will be assigned to your employee accordingly. You can manage the permissions from this section by enabling and disabling the toggle. They will have their separate login. From settings, you can manage your network name and your domains. You can also add custom domain for login and tracking by clicking on Manage Custom Domain. In Tracking tab, you can allow and block the IP address at the global level to receive the traffic. Next is custom appearance. Here you can set your favorite icon, logo small, login background image. You can also change the offer terminology from this section. You can select publisher for affiliates, then in the dashboard you will see publisher instead of affiliate. Similarly, for offers you can set campaigns, and for advertisers you can set brands, and reports and conversions and fields are also available. Chat and ticket option is available for affiliates and advertisers. You can enable it accordingly. In affiliate section, you can set affiliate payment methods, and you can also manage the visibility of report in the affiliate dashboard and their payout as well. Sign up fields can be customized and report fields can be customized, and you can also customize the postback tokens for their dashboard. Sign up questions can be added from this section. Similarly, in advertisers, you can customize sign up fields, report fields for advertiser dashboard. We have APIs for the affiliates. Your affiliates can easily fetch the offers and report from your side. Here, offer API and report API. We also have these APIs for affiliates. You can also customize your login page and sign up page by using our APIs. Affiliate and advertiser create API will be used for the sign up page customizations. Here is a login API. We also have offer API, offer create API. You can create the offers via API. Conversion API and report API. You can fetch overall dashboard report by using report API. As I mentioned earlier, we have SDKs for conversion tracking from the advertiser side. Here is a web SDK. You can easily track the conversions by using this SDK. We also have the automated method in the SDK. With this, you can set the trigger condition based on the URL contain, the path contain, and host name contain like this. You can also track the user journey with the SDK. The cross-site tracking is also possible with SDK.